Garmin has long been a leader in the world of rugged, high-performance smartwatches, and the Fenix series has been at the forefront of this innovation. The Fenix 8 Pro is the latest iteration in this esteemed line, bringing a host of new features and enhancements that cater to outdoor enthusiasts, athletes, and adventurers alike. In this comprehensive overview, we'll delve into the standout features of the Fenix 8 Pro, its design and build quality, health and fitness tracking capabilities, battery life, and how it compares to its predecessors and competitors. Design and build quality. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro continues the series' tradition of durable and rugged design. Available in multiple sizes, including 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm, it offers a fit for various wrist sizes. The watch features a robust construction with a titanium or stainless steel bezel and is equipped with scratch-resistant sapphire or Gorilla Glass, ensuring longevity even in harsh conditions. The Fenix 8 Pro is designed to withstand the elements, meeting U.S. military standards for heat, shock, and water resistance, making it suitable for a wide range of outdoor activities. Display technology. One of the significant upgrades in the Fenix 8 Pro is the introduction of a micro-LED display. This new display technology offers brighter colors, better contrast, and improved energy efficiency compared to previous models. Whether you're navigating through dense forests or running under the midday sun, the micro-LED display ensures that your stats, maps, and notifications are always visible, reducing the strain on your eyes and enhancing readability in various lighting conditions. GPS and Navigation Enhancements. Garmin has enhanced the GPS capabilities in the Fenix 8 Pro by incorporating multi-band GPS technology. This advancement allows the watch to access multiple satellite systems simultaneously, improving accuracy and reliability in challenging environments such as dense forests, urban canyons, or mountainous terrains. Whether you're trail running, hiking, or cycling, the Fenix 8 Pro ensures that your location is pinpointed with remarkable precision, providing confidence in your navigation. Solar charging capabilities. For those who venture into the wilderness for extended periods, the Fenix 8 Pro's solar charging feature is a game-changer. The watch harnesses solar energy to extend its battery life, reducing the need for frequent recharging. This feature is particularly beneficial for long hikes, multi-day treks, or expeditions where access to power sources is limited. The solar charging capability ensures that your watch remains powered, allowing you to focus on your adventure without worrying about battery life. Health and fitness tracking. Garmin continues to lead in health and fitness tracking with the Fenix 8 Pro. The watch is equipped with advanced sensors that monitor various health metrics, including heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, stress levels, and sleep quality. These insights help users understand their body's performance and recovery, enabling them to optimize their training and well-being. Whether you're an elite athlete or a casual fitness enthusiast, the Fenix 8 Pro provides the tools to track and improve your health and fitness journey. Advanced training features. The Fenix 8 Pro offers a plethora of training features designed to enhance athletic performance. It supports a wide range of sports modes, including trail running, cycling, swimming, and more. The watch provides detailed metrics such as pace, cadence, elevation, and VO2 max, allowing athletes to analyze their performance and make data-driven decisions to improve. Additionally, the Fenix 8 Pro offers personalized training plans and recovery insights, helping users train smarter and more effectively. Smartwatch functionality. While the Fenix 8 Pro is primarily designed for outdoor and fitness enthusiasts, it also offers robust smartwatch functionalities. The watch supports smart notifications, allowing you to receive calls, messages, and app alerts directly on your wrist. It also features music storage, enabling you to listen to your favorite tunes without needing your phone. The Fenix 8 Pro seamlessly integrates with your digital life, ensuring that you stay connected while on the go. Battery life. Battery life is a critical consideration for any outdoor smartwatch, and the Fenix 8 Pro excels in this area. Depending on the model and usage, the watch offers impressive battery life, ensuring that it can keep up with your adventures. The combination of efficient hardware, solar charging capabilities, and intelligent power management ensures that the Fenix 8 Pro remains powered throughout your activities, reducing the need for frequent recharging. Comparison with predecessors and competitors. When compared to its predecessors, the Fenix 8 Pro brings several notable improvements. The introduction of a micro-LED display enhances visibility and energy efficiency, while the multiband GPS technology offers improved accuracy in challenging environments. The solar charging feature extends battery life, reducing the need for frequent recharging. These advancements position the Fenix 8 Pro as a significant upgrade over previous models. In comparison to competitors, the Fenix 8 Pro stands out with its combination of rugged design, advanced features, and long battery life. While other brands offer smartwatches with similar functionalities, the Fenix 8 Pro's durability and specialized features for outdoor activities give it an edge in the market. Conclusion. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is a testament to Garmin's commitment to innovation and quality. With its rugged design, advanced features, and comprehensive health and fitness tracking capabilities, it caters to outdoor enthusiasts, athletes, and adventurers seeking a reliable companion for their activities. Whether you're navigating through challenging terrains, training for a race, or simply exploring the great outdoors, the Fenix 8 Pro provides the tools and insights to enhance your experience. Garmin has once again set the standard for adventure smartwatches with the Fenix 8 Pro.